Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you a small project. It's a variable power supply from 0 to 24 volts. Here is the schematics. Here we connect a external power supply of 24 volts, like this one. Now we have a transistor, an audio transistor, power audio transistor, QSC5200. In the base of transistor we connect a potentiometer. One side potential to the positive, another to the ground, and the center tape of the potentiometer connected to the base of the transistor. And the small capacitor of 22 microfarads for 50 volts. In the emitter of the transistor we get the output, variable output of 24 volts, 1 ampere. So let's mount the power supply. Here we have the transistor mounted on this heatsink in order to dissipate the heat generated in the transistor. Here the base, collector and emitter. Now we connect the potentiometer. The center tape here in the base of transistor, one side of the potentiometer and the collector. The 22 microfarads capacitor. Now we connect the power supply, external power supply, 24 volts. The positive in the collector, negative here in the potentiometer. Now the output positive in the emitter, down. And now let's connect it to the voltmeter in order to measure the output voltage. As you can see, it's very easy to build and cheap. Only 4 components: the heatsink, the transistor, the potentiometer, and the the 22 microfarad electrolytic capacitor. Now let's connect this power supply. Here is zero. We are going to increase the voltage. Slowly. And we stop here in the most used voltage, continuing to increase until the maximum value next to 24 volts. No, 23 volts. Now decreasing. As you can see, it's very easy to build. Sometimes I use a project like this to my experiments. You can use this until 2 amps or 3 amps, depending on the heat sink you use. Okay? And that's okay. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.